What makes Welsh Lamb so special is it's in their blood, man. It's all about the land and the grass, and it's just everything about it it's really unique. The passion for Welsh Lamb through the industry of growing it and producing it it's their life, you know, and you can taste it, you can see it, you know, it's a pretty special thing. I enjoy cooking with Welsh Lamb because I can feel and see the passion that comes through from the farmers. It's not just lamb, it's their life, and that really comes through in the flavour and everything. And you know, I speak to my butcher and he rears his own Welsh Lamb and he can tell me where it's come from. That's a pretty special thing. That's why we enjoy cooking with it so much, and it's super tasty. Welsh Lamb is so versatile, man. It's like you've got so many different cuts. Several braising cuts, you've got several cuts which are cooked nice and pink, you know, you've got the ribs, which I absolutely love, you've got the fats which you can use for certain things, you know. The lamb offal is insane, the hearts are incredible. So yeah, out of one animal you've got so many different things you can produce. It's really versatile animal. I think Welsh Lamb exceeds another lamb because of the heritage and the passion and the land. You know, it has got to do with where it's grazed, you know, what it eats, and then how it's looked after and how it's farmed. So they're all really important factors, you know. And I've had lamb from all over the world, all over the country, and I've never had lamb like the Welsh Lamb.